Meet the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, one of the most advanced road cars ever created by Ferrari. Combining stunning Italian design with revolutionary hybrid technology, the SF90 delivers performance that pushes the limits of what a supercar can achieve. Finished in the iconic Rosso Corsa red, the SF90 immediately captures attention. Its aggressive front fascia, razor-sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic bodywork are designed not only for beauty, but also for maximum performance. Every curve and air intake has a purpose, helping the car slice through the air with remarkable efficiency. At the heart of the Ferrari SF90 Stradale lies a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine paired with 3 electric motors. Together, they produce an incredible 986 horsepower. This advanced hybrid system allows the SF90 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, placing it among the fastest production cars in the world. With a top speed of over 211 miles per hour, the SF90 delivers breathtaking performance. Advanced all-wheel drive technology provides exceptional grip and stability, while sophisticated electronic systems ensure precise handling through every corner. Whether on a racetrack or a mountain road, the SF90 feels perfectly balanced and incredibly responsive. Step inside, and you'll discover a cockpit inspired by Formula One technology. Ferrari has designed every element around the driver, creating an environment focused on performance, comfort, and innovation. The fully digital instrument cluster provides all essential driving information in stunning high definition. The futuristic display changes dynamically according to driving conditions. The Ferrari steering wheel places key controls directly at your fingertips. From drive modes to performance settings, everything is designed to minimize distractions and maximize driving enjoyment. Premium black and red leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and meticulous craftsmanship create a luxurious atmosphere throughout the cabin. Every stitch and surface reflects Ferrari's commitment to excellence. The performance seats offer exceptional support during high-speed driving, while remaining comfortable enough for long journeys. Ergonomics and comfort blend seamlessly with racing-inspired design. The SF90 is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, cutting-edge connectivity features, and multiple driving modes. Drivers can switch between electric-only operation, hybrid efficiency, or maximum performance at the touch of a button. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide extraordinary stopping power, allowing the SF90 to slow down with confidence even from extreme speeds. Combined with advanced aerodynamics, braking performance remains exceptional under demanding conditions. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale is more than a supercar. It is a showcase of Ferrari's engineering excellence, combining nearly 1,000 horsepower, advanced hybrid technology, luxurious craftsmanship, and world-class performance into one extraordinary machine. Ferrari SF90 Stradale, where innovation meets speed and performance meets perfection.